Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about cheap upgrades that will make your car feel like a luxury vehicle. They say you're what you drive, but if you drive a cheap car, it doesn't have to say you're cheap. Let's call it brilliantly frugal instead. There are quite a few ways you can make your car look more expensive than it really is for less than $100. Sometimes for even less than $20. You probably won't have to pay an installer either, since minimal to no mechanical skills are required, saving even more money. 1. Add a steering wheel cover. A steering wheel cover increases the interior's flair. There are many designs and types available, including leather, padded, carbon fiber, and whimsical, such as tie-dye. You can choose colors and themes too, such as your favorite sports team or brand of car. There even are covers that glow in the dark. It's not only a cosmetic change. Steering wheel covers can be more comfortable, cooler to the touch after your car has been baking in the sun or grippy, adding a layer of safety. You'll have plenty of covers to choose from starting in the $15 range. Putting one on is as simple as cleaning the existing surface and putting the cover in place. 2. Wax your car. A healthy serving of elbow grease can give your car a shiny new look. A good wax job also will protect the paint from exposure to damaging elements and could save you a paint job. Wax products begin at about $5. 3. Put on a car bra. There are ways to make a cheap car look not cheap, and that includes keeping it in pristine condition, free of body and paint damage. Adding a bra helps to protect the paint so it continues to look like new and remains scratch and chip-free. The bra also prevents dirt, road salt, dust, and bird droppings from making direct contact with the paint, thereby protecting the finish. If you go with a clear version of the protective film bra, you can apply it anywhere, and it'll be discreet. Pro installers could charge a few $100s to apply a clear bra over the entire vehicle, but you can get a roll for as little as $12 and do it yourself. 4. Get a trunk organizer. Even the neatest people might find their trunks becoming an unruly mess as things pile up and shift as you drive. A trunk organizer is a cheap purchase that can help keep this often disorderly part of your car looking nice and neat. You can find trunk organizers for as little as $15. 5. Shine your tires. Want tires that glisten in the sunlight? Simply use a tire shine spray to get this aesthetically pleasing effect. You can find cans of tire shine coating for as little as $8.50. 6. Install a backup camera. A backup camera is now government-mandated equipment on new cars, but you're not out of luck if yours is without one. This safety feature will modernize your car, help with blind spots, and allow you to see what's happening behind you. But adding a backup camera can get expensive when it comes to installation and the type of screen your car requires. However, you can find kits for about $40 that are plug-and-play, connecting to your car's reverse lights or power point, making for easy installation. Sometimes, good enough is better than nothing. 7. Add a tire pressure monitoring system. The federal government required that a tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS, be standard equipment in new vehicles in 2007. But what if your car is older than that? You can make it feel less cheap by upgrading to modern technology. A TPMS kit will keep an eye out for low tire pressure. It can be expensive to add if the TPMS is a more complex series of sensors and wiring, but there are wireless Bluetooth-based setups starting at around $80. 8. Put on seat covers. Seat covers are a jack of all trades. They give your interior a custom look, can be washed or wiped if they get dirty, can add comfort, and might just keep you cool or warm, depending on what's up outside. You also can opt for pet-friendly covers. Choose from basic, camo, sheepskin towel, indeed what you're imagining, cushioned, and more. And if you're really into this idea, aside from the zillions of colors and designs available, you also can get custom covers with a photo you submit. Seat covers are a simple installation, and you can find them for as little as $16. 9. Repair your paint. Quality paint jobs or even touch-ups from a professional can be costly, so here's a completely affordable way to hide minor, superficial chips and scratches in your car's paint: a repair pen. Typically available for less than $15, it takes minutes or just seconds to give damaged paint a spiffier look. Bonus: pens are available to color match to the factory paint color. 10. Put in floor mats. Everything you step on outside becomes a layer of crud on the floor inside, whether it's dirt clumps, rocks, snow, or mud, and that can soil your clean car in just one step. Adding floor mats will function as a protective layer and hide what already has happened to the carpet. You can pick up floor mats in a style to match your carpet or reflect your personality. Car mats are manufactured of rubber or carpet and start as low as $13 per set. Installation is as simple as dropping the mat into place. Be sure to check the dimensions or for vehicle-specific products before you buy. 11. Replace your shifter knob. Another simple way to make an interior look a little more refined is to replace your shifter knob. If you're tolerating the current one popping off in your hand while shifting, it's making everything about your car seem cheaper. But changing the knob isn't only for a better appearance. Some have a more comfortable grip, and that can even equal quicker shifts and better performance. It should be a straightforward swap too. No matter what color or how weird of a design you can think of, that knob probably exists and likely for less than $50. 12. Update your grill. You have options when it comes to the grill, and you can give your vehicle's front end a complete unique redo, be it a grill insert, overlay, or replacement. An insert goes in the center of your current grill, while an overlay goes over the existing grill. A replacement is used in place of your factory grill. Prices start under $100 but can exceed that depending on how fancy you want to get. If you're looking for the cheapest, easiest to install option, probably go with the overlay. 13. Enhance your pedals. Switching to aluminum or another type of cover for your accelerator and brake pedals adds a one-of-a-kind look, but also can have some perks. You'll gain a non-slip, scratch-resistant, and comfortable surface for your feet, as well as the illusion that your cheap car has racing genes. Don't want to spend a lot of money to improve your interior? This can be done for as little as $8 and should be a quick DIY project. 14. Add Bluetooth. If your car doesn't have Bluetooth that allows you to stream music or use your cell phone hands-free, a few options exist. You can use a universal kit that stands alone. Such kits don't need to interact with your car's stereo, or you can use an adapter that connects to your stereo or switch to an aftermarket stereo that's Bluetooth enabled. The latter can be surprisingly inexpensive, hovering around $50. The other two can be found for under $15 and less than $65, respectively. You probably can guess which installation has more steps and therefore may be better left to an installer. Tip: it's the stereo. 15. Stick on a spoiler. A rear spoiler affects your car's aerodynamics, and in the process, it can give a slight boost to your miles per gallon and help the car handle better at speed. The wing thing also can scream sporty car, not to be confused with sports car, with a quick add installation. You have a choice when it comes to the type of spoiler, too, from ones that stick on via adhesive to others that require drilling. Design options are aplenty, including flush mount, but this is also where the cost starts to climb. The cost also depends on the type of car you have, so keep that in mind if you're hoping for a custom or adjustable spoiler. Also, they aren't just for cars. Truck spoilers exist too. You can find a lip spoiler for less than $40. 16. Switch your fuel door. With options such as stainless steel or trum-plated, it's possible that upgrading the fuel filler door can make the rest of your car's exterior look cheaper, but we say it's worth the risk. Locking versions also are available. Don't want to spend more than $30 to make your car look more expensive than it is. Done. 17. Add a hood protector. Who doesn't love products that do double duty? In this case, a hood protector gives your vehicle a minor makeover and shields the hood and windshield from bugs and road debris. There's also an aerodynamic advantage too. You shouldn't have a problem finding one for less than $60. Between the instructions and included mounting hardware, you shouldn't need to bring in a pro for the installation. 18. Add fender flares. Maybe you can't afford new tires and wheels, but that shouldn't stop you from adding fender flares to make your car stand out while also protecting it from road debris. Various styles exist, and they can be put on without drilling. You can choose from a wider/aggressive look to a mild aesthetic change. The price will depend on the cool factor, so if you want to spend less than $100, expect to see fairly basic choices. If you can open your budget up a bit, you might be more satisfied. 19. Add tailgate protection. Once again, this is an upgrade that is not only for custom looks but also to protect the paint and body from scratches and dents when you load and unload items into the bed or cargo area. A tailgate protector or tailgate cap should go on easily with some form of included tape, without drilling into the sheet metal. Tip: you might be able to find a kit that's a hood and tailgate combo package. Bundling could save some cash as you could be looking at about $50 for the tailgate cap alone. 20. Add a step. Adding a step will give you a more graceful way to reach inside the tailgate or cargo area, or to climb into the vehicle when you don't have the budget to buy running boards. Some steps attach to the hitch receiver, while others mount under body. You can find them for around $40, but if you feel like blowing a bunch of cash, look for a retractable version. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel for more frugalism videos. Thank you for watching.